Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has ordered the full implementation of the Oronsaye Report. There will be consequences for that implementation. Those who are being deceived that there will be no job losses will soon find out that they are being deceived. Remember, the Minister of Information Mohammed Idris has allayed fears that there will be no losses, no job losses in the implementation of the Oronsaye Report. If you believe Mohammed Idris, it means that you believe that you can make an omelette without breaking an egg. Or can I put it in a local balance? You can make ugi, or you can make akam or pap without hot water. You are saying that the agencies of government will be streamlined without consequences. That is not possible. For those of you who are working in government, there will be consequences, because the full implementation of the Oronsaye Report signifies that several agencies of the government will be merged, subsumed, scrapped, and relocated. And that cannot happen without any consequences. So let it be clear. If you are working in government, especially federal government, there will be consequences. This is because the 800-page Oronsaye Report recommended the scrapping and the merging of 220 out of the then existing 541 government agencies. The report, if implemented as Tinubu has recommended, has demanded, or has promised he would, it means that it will cost more than 100 heads of agencies, like director generals, executive secretaries of agencies, and parastatals, to lose their jobs. They will lose their jobs despite all the assurances by Mohammed Idris that there will be no job losses. I'm sure if Nigeria Labour Congress is sincere, they will know that there will be consequences in terms of job losses. Now, the Oronsaye Report recommended the reduction of statutory agencies from 263 to 161, as well as the abolition of 38 agencies, the merger of 52, and the reversion of 14 to departments in ministries. So there are so many agencies today that will have to become departments in ministries. And when they become departments in ministries, there will be job losses. You cannot merge the Economic and Financial Crime Commission and the ICPC and expect that all of them will be there doing the same work. You will still have the chairman of ICPC and still have the chairman of EFCC. It's not possible. One of them will go, and several others will go. Now, the document proposed the management audit of 89 agencies, capturing biometric features of staff, as well as the discontinuation of government funding for professional bodies and councils. That is also another place, another way that people will be moved away. Because when they do biometrics, they are going to find out those that are not supposed to be where they are, and those will be weeded out. And there are those that will be removed because their job, too many people are doing the same job they are already doing. So only the best of them will remain if they truly implement the proposal. And in the report that Oronsaye submitted, it shows that the government was intended at the time to save 862 billion naira. Right now, government will even be expecting to save much more because Nigeria is in dire strait. So the economy of Nigeria being in dire strait means that there is no way the government will implement the Oronsaye Report without people losing their jobs. People will lose their jobs as far as this Oronsaye Report is concerned, unless they are not serious about its implementation. But if they follow the guideline, the recommendation, people will lose their job, despite all the assurances of Mohammed Idris, speaking for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that there will be no losses, that people should disregard fear of job losses. No, people should indeed fear job losses because it is coming with the implementation of this report. That is a fact. The only thing you can say is that those that will go, what do you do with them? How do you provide an alternative job for them? Perhaps government can come up with an arrangement where those that are going will be paid their full entitlement and be encouraged to go into other productive ventures that are seeking attention, like agriculture, like every other business of their interest, and they should be supported by government, by banks, and statutory allocation, maybe from National Assembly, to support those who want to move into private ventures. But to say that there will be no losses of job, to say that jobs will not be lost in this matter will be the height of deceit, the height of propaganda that has ever been done in Nigeria. You cannot, like I said, you cannot make omelette without breaking an egg. You cannot make pap, akam, or ogi without hot water. So anybody telling you there will be no job losses is trying to lie to you that you can make pap without hot water. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please, don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.